Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on diagnosing and repairing your Dell Latitude laptop. Today, we'll walk through a systematic approach to identify issues and perform essential fixes. Let's dive right in. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and thermal paste. These tools are essential for opening up your Dell Latitude and cleaning or replacing components. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for a hassle-free experience. Next, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any accidental short circuits during the repair process. Now, let's look at the screws. Depending on your Dell Latitude model, you might find different types of screws holding the back panel in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them organized so you don't lose any during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step, forcing it can break the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Start by inspecting the fan and heatsink. Dust accumulation is a common issue that can lead to overheating. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust, ensuring that you clean the vents thoroughly. This step is essential for maintaining optimal performance. Now, let's address the thermal paste. If your laptop has been running hot, it may be time to replace the thermal paste between the CPU and the heatsink. Carefully remove the heatsink, clean off the old thermal paste with isopropyl alcohol, and apply a small amount of new thermal paste before reattaching the heatsink. This can significantly improve thermal management. At this point, check for any loose connections. Reseating cables can often solve issues like power failures or display problems. If you find any damaged cables, it might be time to consider a replacement. If your laptop still exhibits issues after cleaning and reseating, it may need a professional diagnosis. Here at our service, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can understand what repairs are needed without any pressure. After you've completed the internal checks, carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you organized earlier. Ensure everything is tight and secure, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the casing. Before powering on the laptop, reinsert the battery if it was removed. Plug in your laptop and turn it on. Monitor how it operates. If it still has issues, it's important to proceed with further diagnostics. If you prefer not to troubleshoot on your own, we can assist you with our services. Our pickup and delivery option means you won't have to deal with calls or travel. We'll handle everything for you. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair work is initiated, ensuring transparency in the process. In conclusion, maintaining your Dell Latitude laptop involves regular cleaning and occasional diagnostics. By following these steps, you can prolong the life of your device and enhance its performance. If you require further assistance, remember that we're here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.